Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Supersport, a rebirth of an American muscle legend. With its aggressive styling, modern technology, and powerhouse performance, this car is set to make waves in the muscle car segment. So let's break it all down. Its exterior, interior, performance, and price. One glance at the 2025 Chevelle SS 396, and you can tell it's built to turn heads. Chevrolet has masterfully blended retro styling with modern touches, paying homage to the classic 1970s Chevelle while making it fit for the modern era. The front fascia is dominated by a bold split grille with the signature SS badging, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it an aggressive stare. The sculpted hood features dual air intakes, hinting at the beast that lies beneath. Moving along the side, the muscular stance is undeniable. It rides on 19-inch or optional 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires for maximum grip. The long, sloping roofline seamlessly transitions into the rear deck, maintaining the Chevelle's signature fastback profile. At the back, you get LED taillights, a quad exhaust system, and a subtle rear spoiler, all contributing to its aerodynamics and aggressive styling. Chevrolet also offers several nostalgic paint options, including Hugger Orange, Midnight Black, and Marina Blue, each accentuating the car's classic muscle car persona. Step inside, and the 2025 Chevelle SS 396 greets you with a blend of vintage charm and modern luxury. The cabin is driver-fencered, with a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather featuring SS badging at the center. Behind it, you'll find a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from speed to real-time performance metrics. The seats are heavily bolstered leather sports seats, available in multiple color options like black with red stitching or a two-tone black and waste combination. Heated and ventilated front seats come standard, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The infotainment system is a 10.1 micron-inch touchscreen featuring Chevrolet's latest MyLink software, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium Bose audio system. To keep up with modern tech, the 2025 Chevelle SS also includes a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. A mix of soft-touch materials, carbon fiber accents, and optional Alcantara finishes elevate the luxury feel, making this muscle car as comfortable as it is thrilling. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevelle SS 396 stays true to its muscle car roots. Chevrolet offers a 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing a heart-pounding 485 horsepower and 475 lp-ft of torque. This power is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who prefer quicker shifts. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.1 seconds, the new Chevelle proves it's not just a throwback, it's a serious performance machine. The magnetic ride control suspension ensures a balance of comfort and track-ready handling, while the Brembo performance brakes provide excellent stopping power. For those wanting more power, Chevrolet is rumored to offer a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 variant, pushing over 650 horsepower, making it a true challenger to modern-day muscle cars like the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. As for pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 starts at around $58,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded version with all performance upgrades can go up to $75,000. While that's a hefty price tag, it's competitive with other high-performance muscle cars on the market, and considering the heritage and power this car brings, it's worth every penny. The Chevelle SS 396 is a bold statement from Chevrolet, proving that muscle cars are far from dead. With its aggressive design, powerful V8, and modern-day comforts, it's a perfect mix of nostalgia and performance. Whether you're a fan of the classics or a modern muscle car enthusiast, this car delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one.